Hi YouTube. Sorry. I just woke up. Like, I literally just woke up. So anyways, guys, I am on here because I want to do a video. I want to do a video that's gonna show you guys what I do with the edges. So this is what my edges looks like right now. I think these braids are about a week old. So let me hold this camera up. So this is what I'm looking like. So this is before. And I'm gonna show you guys the process, okay? And how it's gonna look like afterwards. I'll be back. Hi guys, so I just took the bandana off my head and I wanted to show you that I have white on my edges, and the reason why it's white is because of this. When I first started the video, I was using this. Got to be glue always leaves white residue on your hair. So I'm gonna try to take that residue out. Turn on this ring light so you can see me. There we go. And where's the alcohol I just had in my hand? All right, so I'm going to, oops, sorry, the camera is tilted. I'm gonna use this alcohol and this cotton to get rid of this white residue. So if you ever find yourself in a situation where you have white residue, the thing about using cotton is you want to be careful so that way you don't get white cotton on your hair. So I'm just dabbing it. I'm just dabbing it. I may have to go back in there. I feel like you can't really see. This is what you do when you want to get the white stuff out of your hair. Just get cotton, get alcohol, and just clean the areas that you need to. So I got some cotton on here. Let me take that out. But on the other hand, these edges are dry. It's not going anywhere. Let me put this down, guys. I couldn't hold the camera and do this at the same time, so just give me a second. Every time I go in here with the cotton, I keep getting white stuff. But I got most of it off. You know what I'm gonna do? Instead of using a cotton, I'm going to use a towel. Hold on, I'll be right back. So let's see how this works. Yeah, so don't use cotton, use a towel. If you have a small towel, use a small towel. Okay. Alright guys, I got all the white stuff out. So I'm just never gonna use Got2b glue again. I'll be right back. I am working with, so I think I got it out, but my edges did come out kind of messed up, but it's okay. So this is what it looks like. I tried. It is what it is. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Bye bye.